The single leg squat to box is a great diagnostic tool for knee stability and glute strength. Start by standing about an inch in front of a box or a chair or a table. Try and have it quite high to start with so that you get used to the movement. Shift your weight onto your working leg and extend your non-working leg slightly out in front of you. Reach both your arms straight forward, which will help as a counterbalance, allowing you to sit your hips back without falling over. Initiate the movement by pushing your hips backwards like a normal squat. It should take 2 to 3 seconds to reach the box. Don't drop in. If you free fall the last 3 inches and plop onto the box, then the box is too low for your current strength level. When your glutes touch the box, pause, keep your core braced and torso lean slightly forward. Don't relax and don't rock backwards to generate momentum for the way up. Drive your foot through the floor to stand back up, ensuring your working knee tracks straight ahead and doesn't cave inwards. Perform the sets and reps as set out in the program. With continued practice and dedication to this exercise, over time you can start to get lower and lower until finally you can reach that pistol squat movement, so getting down to the floor without using a box at all.